This camper here is a 2009 Forest River Surveyor. It's 30 feet. This is half-ton tow. It's in excellent condition inside and out. All the fiberglass is still shiny. All the decals are in good shape. This is an SV291. These Surveyors are very high-end campers. Has outdoor speakers. It's in really good condition all the way around. It is going to need a new awning fabric. We should be able to get that done before you come and look at it. I'll walk around and show you. There's no delamination. Like I said, all the decals and the fiberglass is in very good shape. I'll get you a weight and give you the exact unloaded weight when we go inside. Anyway, as you can see here, it's got one big slide out. No dents, no scratches, no delamination, nothing. It's just in very good condition. I'm going to go ahead and walk you on the inside. As we go inside, again, it's a 2009 SV291. See, it has linoleum here in the entranceway. Actually, it's linoleum throughout. There is no carpet. It's a nice wide open floor plan. You got a nice counter here, sofa bed, center kitchen. Of course, you have a booth dinette on this side that folds down and makes a bed. You can see how much room there is in this thing. It's just really nice. And we walk to the back here. You have a double bed down the bottom with a bunk up top. Some cabinets with some drawers in them. Like I said, these Surveyors are really nice campers. Get a nice sized corner shower or corner bath. Of course, there's your sink and medicine cabinet. Ceiling height in here is about 6'6", 6'7". You have a tub and shower combination with a commode. Go ahead and walk in, and the camper's just in really good condition. We'll walk up to the front. Again, this is an 09 model. This is CD, and this is not a DVD player. Sometimes these are DVD players, but this plays CDs and MP3s. And as you can see, you got two pocket doors, one on each side. And when you walk in, you're walking into a queen-size bedroom. Very clean, very nice. So that door's on this side. And then you have a TV stand. This here rotates. So you can, if you had a TV mounted here, you could rotate it around and watch it in the bedroom. And then you have another door to go in this side of the bedroom. Let me get that weight for you. Well, it took some digging, but I found the weight. It's 5,200 pounds. That's the unloaded vehicle weight on this trailer. So this is definitely a half-ton towable unit. Anyway, my name is George, and my phone number will be in the ad. If you'd like to come take a look at this 2009 Forest River Surveyor, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to show it to you. Thank you for watching my video, and have a great day.